Hello, I'm Harrison, a CEA CAPA student studying abroad in London, and today I'm going to be going to a video game tournament. So personally, I've always competed at Super Smash Bros. It's a series I've played since I was little, and now I currently compete at tournaments. And today we're going to be going to a tournament in London. It happens every week, but it's a special edition this week because they're having a Halloween theme, so some people might be dressed in costumes. And I'm really looking forward to it. I've just come back from my vacation, so I personally think I'm a little bit rusty at playing the game, but my goals for today are primarily just to have fun and to play well and not play nervous, because when you're competing in a tournament, sometimes you can get very nervous. Yeah, we'll just go have fun, see how I do. And I'm not going to try to stress that much if I lose, since I'm just getting back into it, but I do love competing. I can't get away from it, and I need to compete again.
Genuinely, the end result was you didn't get to keep the one.
I didn't cook me at the time. I was doing other shit.
Okay. Why does this guy seed 14, seed 19? This guy's good.
He's done okay so far, honestly. I guess Joker as well. Look off for a minute.
No one can. Bro,
yes,
you're the only one who can match my energy.
I'm not matching. I don't want to match your energy.
You need to match my energy. Actually, Adam Q.
Shut up, man.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Logue is doing, but he might need to do a little something with this Arsene available. Okay. Oh, no, that's gonna kill me.
That's it.
That's gonna kill you. Yeah, the most of the class. It's like Wii Fits. Like it's just good for the. Oh, is he gonna get away?
It doesn't get away.
Yeah.
That is not the right button.
I won my first match, and apparently I'm fighting Maze Beans next, or probably will, and he is one of the best players in Europe and like a international threat caliber player. Very good. That'll be fun.
You know, it's been a while. It's been a while? Yeah, it's been since like... Wow. You know what I mean? Like,
GG's. Well, I just finished my tournament run at the local tournament, and I ended up getting 9th place out of, I think it was around like 35 people, and overall that's really good. I was seeded, I think it was like 19th or something, so that basically means that at the start I was projected to be like the 19th best player in that room when the tournament started, and I ended up getting 9th. I still did pretty good today, and I should be happy with that, so I'm just gonna enjoy hanging around here for a little bit, and yeah, that's all that there is.